There's a chimp hat. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we are in some abandoned workshop thing. Right? Let's take a look here. Here's my friend Bo, right?
The bat roasting box. Roasting box.
Look. What?
Dude, this one's corked.
There's a two-stroke. A little bit in. There's like sinks, but they don't work. There's a chimp hat. There. Oh! What was that? WD-40?
I cover your mouth.
Don't.
I don't know what this is yet. What's that? Oh, paint.
Oh, paint!
It's fine, it's paint.
Alright.
It's fine. It's just spray paint.
But look at this. Big clay mixer. And this here. John Minis. This was you boys. And there's a whole bunch of logs. Just filled with cobwebs. Fresh lettuce, tomatoes, new potatoes, and turnips. There's some gas as well. This place is fire. Oh, it's just like, you stop graffitiing. It's more illegal than breaking into it.
What?
Graffitiing's more illegal than breaking into it. Oh my days, look at those spiders in the walls. There's like so many of them. Would you stop?
Alright, I didn't do that. Anyway.
Alright, we're gonna leave here. What? Are we not?
Unopened box?
We're not gonna go and see the thing.
Unopened box. Oh, it's blades.
Ooh.
Give me a tool. Something sharp. Something to open this with. Stay here.
Nah, I got it.
What's that? Yo.
It's something. I'll tell you that much. But we were just metal detecting, right? On the beach. And we come across this on like the way up. And like we've always seen it, but we didn't know.
Yo, it's a needle.
This bottle of water though.
Which is wind chime?
Hmm?
Which is wind chime?
Yeah, and it's cold as well.
Where?
The water never really goes out, so. Little welly boots here. Oh, that's spray paint. It's just like.
Is it working level?
Come on. Let's go explore the wee house thing. Yeah, there's like a wee barn thing, which we're in now, and then there's a house. Come on. Oh, yeah, I see him up there. How do we get out from here? Hmm? Come on. Oh. Maybe don't be too loud, there's a house right over there. And then out here, right? I'm just gonna be a bit quiet, right? But you see this wee, look at all those spiders there. Oh my god. It's all like long-legged ones, so they're okay.
They don't look friendly.
Look, oh my, look at them all. That's,
Colony?
look at the mother up there, or something
Yeah.
like that. Let's zoom into it. I'm not going near that thing. Two. See it? Right there.
Ooh.
Oh my. Flipper. This is cool.
Holy.
But like all that's in there anyway is like a few doors. So it isn't these shelves. Not much around the back there. It's really just nothing. But let me go out here and there's this. We should explore there.
Locked. Looks like a house.
Yeah, but there's a door right open there.
All our stuff's still
There's a
there.
wee chair. Yeah, our child's play things, metal detector, and shovel. Oh, hold on. You can go in here. It's been entered before. It's like a wee pathway down. Okay, so there's a little thing up here as well. Takes us in. Cells? What the
That's the phone. I'll hop in.
Sorry, I got. Yo.
I'm gonna go into one.
Are you? I've put the flashlight on.
Pass me the phone and I'll do it.
There you go, I got the flashlight on. You go.
Mental this.
Look at this. Yo. It's big. It is. There's a little fence there.
Look, guys, from my perspective, it's massive. And for factors, I'm 6 feet tall. My head nowhere near reaches this roof. Open.
No, it is.
What about this one?
I don't think that opens.
That's a good chair. Hold on. Yo, this is someone's actual workshop, I'm pretty sure.
Is it actually?
All of this stuff is new. Yeah, there's a power tool here, fresh cup. If I die, bury me upside down so the world can kiss my ass.
Yo. This is cool.
Power tool blades.
The floor over here.
Leaf floor.
Yeah. Oh, there's a big pickaxe.
Hold this. I'm gonna get it.
Alright. It's too light because of the thing. Look at all this. So cool. Oh, he's got the pickaxe. So pass me that.
I don't feel safe with this thing. It's top heavy.
Yeah, no, I'm alright. I got it with one hand.
Yo, there's a toolbox.
It's very up liquid.
Yo, it's disc.
There you go. Let's.
Power tool.
Yeah, I'm gonna get out of here now.
Yeah, this is sketch.
Okay, we're right beside the main road, so we are as well.
We missed a mini fridge.
A mini fridge?
Yeah.
Is there anything in it? Okay.
Water.
Water? Yo. Aqua. I'll turn off the wee light thing. 'Cause it's-
Aqua, yeah. Aqua twist. Shake it. It's fine. I like it. I like exploring.
This is cool. We got to do this a lot more.
Yeah, just shake your hair in case anything fell off. Shake your hair in case anything fell off.
Can you check my hood?
Fine.
I'll check your hood. Oh, there's a little like fly in it, but no, it's nothing in it. That's fine. There you go. Okay. It's cool. That's like literally the building we were in there.
What?
So guys, we got kicked out. So we did. It's not the best. I'm alright.
Yeah.
See, yo, what he's doing in there, and then we're like, oh no, we're just looking about, and
She just shouted at us to get off.
yeah. So obviously we did the respectful choice thing.
And me
Got off.
got off.
But we're gonna have to go through some more videos like this. We're gonna have to explore more abandoned places in our town, because there's a load there. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe if you want to see some more cool adventures and cool things that we do on this channel. And yeah, that's everything. Peace out.